In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a Google Meet link in just a few easy steps. Whether you're planning a quick meeting or a series of discussions, using Google Meet is a seamless way to connect with your colleagues, friends, or family. Let's dive into the process right away. First, we need to head over to the Google Meet website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Google Meet. Click on the link that appears in the search results to go to the Google Meet landing page. This is your starting point for creating new meetings. On the Google Meet homepage, you'll see an option called New Meeting. Click on it and you'll be presented with a few choices. For the purpose of scheduling ahead, select the option that says Schedule in Google Calendar. This feature allows you to plan your meeting in advance, which is especially useful if you want to ensure that everyone is available at the designated time. Once you click on Schedule in Google Calendar, your Google Calendar will open up. Here you have the opportunity to fill in the details of your meeting, think about the purpose and the timing of your meeting, set the date and time, and provide a clear and meaningful title to help invitees understand the focus of the meeting. No need to worry about the Meet link itself, it gets generated automatically. When you're satisfied with your meeting details, look for the Save button located at the top of the page. Click on it to finalize your meeting. This step ensures that your meeting is officially added to your calendar and a Google Meet link is generated and attached to the calendar event. To share this meeting link, go back to your Google Calendar, find the newly created event and select it. Here you'll see an option to invite via link. Click on it and a box will pop up displaying the meeting link. Highlight this link and copy it. Now you're ready to share your meeting link. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, or any other communication tool you are using. Just ensure that everyone you want to join the meeting gets this link. With these steps, you've successfully scheduled and shared a Google Meet link, making it easy for your participants to join the meeting at your arranged time. This flexibility is one of the great benefits of using Google Meet as your go-to video conferencing tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in organizing your future meetings efficiently.